How to eliminate the Moire pattern inside Davinci Resolve. Moire pattern, or with another word, these ugly lines, which are noticed if you record, let's say, a laptop display with a camera, and the two pixel layers of the camera and the display, when are one on top of the other, they can form these lines. Okay, so to eliminate these lines, or to reduce the number of them, we should reduce the resolution of this clip only and not the rest of them. So to do that, click on the clip itself and go to the Fusion tab. Now we should add a note here. Press the Shift key and space bar, Shift space, type in this one, which is Resize, and that Resize should be added. It was added, is this one. Now reduce the resolution of that clip, this one, from 4K to, let's say, HD. That is, double click on it, 1280, press the tab key, and 720, and press the tab key again. And as you can see, the lines were severely reduced. They are still visible, but less. If you click on this auto resolution, then it returns to the previous 4K resolution and the lines are visible. Press Ctrl Z, that is undo, and it eliminated those lines. So that's a method how to reduce the Moire pattern on one single clip inside Davinci Resolve.